Hi, my name is Mark, and I'm here to talk about fractions, the very basic ideas of fractions. So, a fraction, according to the Oxford language, the definition of a fraction is a numeric quantity that is not a whole number. And also, a fraction is made up of two really components. The numerator, which is the top number, they're going to have a horizontal right below the top number. And then you have a denominator, which is, again, the lower number. One other part of the example is the denominator cannot be 0. If it's 0, it's considered undefined. So here's some examples of a fraction. So this is basically the number 1. Look at number 1. It's the same as 1 over 1 and 2 over 2. Technically, it's a whole number, so it may not be considered actually a fraction. But you can write, though, the number 1 into a fraction form, like 1 over 1, 2 over 2, as long as the numerator and the denominator are the same. Now, a true definition of a fraction, so 1 over 2. And the top number is going to be lower than the lower number. So the numerator is going to be lower than the denominator. So 1 over 2 is the same as 2 over 4. So just quickly, if you want to know how to get 2 over 4 from 1/2, is 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. So 2 over 4 is the same as 1 over 2. It's the same as 3 over 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 over 8 is the same as 1/2. 5 over 10. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. And 5 times 1 is 5. So 5 over 10 is the same as 1/2, 1 over 2. 4 over 8 is the same as 1 over 2 or 1/2. Okay, 1/3. 1/3 is the same as 2 over 6. Once again, how I got 2 over 6 is like 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 6. So 2 over 6 is the same as 1 over 3. 3 over 9 is the same as 1/3. Once again, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3, so 3 over 9 is the same as 1/3. 4/12 is the same as 1/3 as 5/15. 4/12. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4. 5/15. 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 times 1 is 5. And finally, 1/4. So once again, then my numerator is smaller than my denominator, which qualifies as a fraction. It's the same as 2 over 8. So 2 over 8, so 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2, so 2 over 8 is the same as 1/4. 3/12, so 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3, so 3 over 12 is the same as 1 over 4. 4/16, so 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4, so 4 over 16 is the same as 1/4. And then finally 5/20, 5 times 4 is 20. And 5 times 1 is 5. So this is really a basic explanation of fractions, though, but I just wanted to show what I know. Once again, the one thing that being questioned is basically the number, because this is basically a whole number, and the definition is really a fraction is basically a number less than 1, but you can put a whole number into a fraction if you want to. And just remember, though, a fraction is made up of a numerator and a denominator. So thank you for your time. Looking forward to doing more videos. So please subscribe.
Hello, I'm Jessica. I want to let you know if you could subscribe and click the notification bell. And I want 2 things for you to do. Subscribe to the Cool Boot channel. Subscribe to the other Mark Harold channel. And subscribe to this channel right here. If you have any questions, go to the comment section below. Bye.